My name is Angela Williams Nash. I am the Technology Lead Teacher at John L. Costley Middle School in East Orange, New Jersey. Welcome to this overview of the New Jersey Student Learning Standards, Computer Science and Design Thinking, 8.1.8, Impacts of Computing. Computer Science Core Concept, 8.1.8, Impacts of Computing, evaluates how computing affects many aspects of the world in both positive and negative ways. The impact can be felt at the local, national, and/or global levels, impacting individuals and communities through their behaviors and culture and social interactions. Middle school students come to us with personal experiences living with and using technology. They thirst for technologies that run faster and do more. Here are some things you can do to prepare to teach Core Concept 8.1.8 Impacts of Computing. 1. Download the NJSLS standards and read just this core concept. Do not focus on everything. Just look at the material needed now. Save the rest for another day. 2. Use the QR code shown to access the Montclair State University K-12 Teacher Education website. Instructional resources are just a couple of clicks away. 3. Post a technology word wall of key vocabulary terms and concepts. Montclair State University has word walls available that are organized by grade band and core concept. Use the QR code to access this free resource. 4. Reach out to your technology supervisor and request training. 5. Create a pre-test and post-test based on grade 8 requirements. Use the test at each grade level to monitor progress towards the knowledge students should master by the end of 8th grade. 6. Talk to people from different generations to gain their perspective on advancements in computing technology and how it has changed their outlook on life and their personal behavior. 7. Create learning experiences and projects that enable students to examine the trade-offs that computing devices bring due to increasing globalization and automation. And 8. Expose students to issues of bias, equity, and accessibility in the design of existing technologies. Think about what works best for your students as you scaffold the material from one grade level to the next. Here is one approach to scaffolding the material for 6th grade. 1. Create and give an initial assessment on key vocabulary terms and concepts based on grade 5 requirements. You may have to review grade 5 material first. 2. Student artifacts should illustrate and explain how computing technologies affect their daily lives. 3. Have student-driven discussions wherein they contribute to a pro and con chart that lists the positive and negative benefits of devices like the telephone. 4. Post student artifacts in the classroom as reference material. 5. Monitor student progress during the development of artifacts by asking guiding questions, suggesting avenues of investigation, and/or recommending additional resources. In addition to the recommendations provided for grade 6, the following additional suggestions for scaffolding are made for grade 7. 1. Regularly review vocabulary terms. 2. Students should move from the identification to the comparison of computing technologies and their impact on everyday activities and career options. 3. Provide choice in selecting project team members and a research topic as well as the vehicle with which they communicate their findings. And 4. Create check-in points for groups to ensure equitable participation from all team members. Grade 8 provides our final opportunity to ensure mastery of this standard before students move on to high school. In addition to the recommendations for grades 6 and 7, the following are proposed for scaffolding material for 8th graders. 1. In addition to the impact, require students to evaluate trade-offs of computing devices on everyday activities and career options. 2. Teams should identify, describe, and discuss issues of bias, equity, and accessibility in the design of existing technologies. And 3. Projects should be shared with a wider audience, like another class or grade level. This concludes our review of the Computer Science Core Concept 8.1.8 Impacts of Computing. I hope you are excited to begin this journey with so many other teachers throughout the state of New Jersey. Most importantly, breathe. Do not stress yourself out. You will get better with planning, practice, and time.